The Endpoint Version Schedule describes consumer data standards endpoint versions and the dates they become binding. The Endpoint Version Schedule is included in the Consumer Data Standards document. The Endpoint Version Schedule topic in the Consumer Data Standards provides a link to the schedule. See the video description for the link. The schedule consists of a number of tables listing APIs under the following headings: Data holders, Banking APIs, Energy APIs, Energy Shared Responsibility APIs, Dynamic Client Registration APIs, Security APIs, Common APIs, Admin APIs, CDR Register APIs. Note, these are not implemented by DHs and ADRs. They are hosted by the register for consumption by participants. Data recipients. InfoSec profile security endpoints including ADR token revocation endpoint and CDR arrangement revocation endpoint. For each endpoint, the table shows section, subsection, endpoint, method, version, binding date, retirement date, date introduced, date deprecated. At the top right of the screen is a group of controls to filter the APIs listed. Select a date to mark all APIs according to that date. The collapse obligation switch removes the APIs that are inactive and fully deprecated by that date. The color coding indicates the status of the APIs. A green color indicates an active API, an orange color indicates a deprecated API. For the complete color coding legend, click Legend in the controls. The Endpoint Version Schedule shows obligation dates and other important dates for APIs, listed according to category. You can filter the schedule according to date and API activity. Obligation dates for APIs and other CDS requirements are determined by consultation with participants. To influence obligation dates, participants can take part in consultations. Consultation takes place through decision proposals. See the Decision Proposals video for an introduction to the consultation process. For any question about CDS API scheduling, refer to the Endpoint Version Schedule. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.